This year's IBC coverage is brought to you by
Hey everybody, my name's Abe Apt. I'm with AJA Video Systems. We're at IBC2024 in beautiful Amsterdam we're with our friends at RedShark News. We're going to show you around the booth and show you all the cool new stuff we got in here. So come on in, it's a busy booth. We're going to be bumping into all kinds of people. See, I'm falling down already. So here's what we got. At this show, new hardware is always a big deal when AJA releases new hardware, but when we release a new Kona card, it's an even bigger deal, and that's what we have at this here show. We have the AJA Kona IP25. This is the newest, it's the latest, it's the greatest, it's the best Kona card we've ever made, and it's an answer to all of our customers' wants and dreams. Basically, it's a 25 gig capable Kona card. So 25 gig E SFPs on there. You can also put 10 gig E SFPs in there if that's what your network requires. But we got 2 cages on there so we can do 2022-7 redundancy, but it's a full-on SMPTE ST2110 capable board. And we've even got a gigabit Ethernet port on there so you can do off-band control, all that fun kind of stuff. But all the provisions that you need for a 2110 setup, it's all built into this board. So all the control stuff, all the audio and video handling, keeping everything in sync, working with your network, it's all going to work on a Kona, but it's also still just a Kona. So you might be familiar with all the Kona cards that we've been making for about 20 years. We got a wall full of them here. So all of these boards, people know and love. They've been using them for years. They have the same drivers, the same underlying architecture, the same software support that the Kona IP25 has. So it's nothing new other than the connectivity. We're just going to bring you into the IP world with the same hardware that you're used to working with the same software, the same SDK. It's all the same. It's just IP now. So we're super excited to be offering this. It's going to be shipping here a little bit later this year, but we announced it just a day ago at IBC. It's fresh for this show. You're the first ones to see it here. All right, now if you come over here, we're going to show you some more hardware. We're going to go over to this other part of the booth. Over here, we have our converters. Everyone knows AJA for mini converters. We've got our little gray boxes, our digital glue, our mini converters. We've been making them for over 30 years. We have our Open Gear converters. Open Gear is an open standard that was Ross Video Technology and a whole bunch of other manufacturers, us included. We all standardize on these wonderful converters that go in these lovely 2-rack unit frames, so you have high density conversion all in a very, very small space. So what we've done over the years is slowly taken all of our mini converters and made them into Open Gear converters, and now we've taken one of our most exciting devices that we've ever made, the ColorBox, and we put it in Open Gear format. So now we have the OG-ColorBox, one of the coolest sounding product names I've ever heard personally, but this is just what ColorBox is. So inline color transform, 12G SDI in and out, HDMI 2.0 output for monitoring purposes, and it is ultra high speed lookup table injection, for lack of a better or simpler term. So load up your lookup tables, put them into the user interface, and you can inject them into your signal. So your signal is instantly affected in a very, very professional manner, and everything happens super fast. Our latency is actually measured in pixels rather than lines or frames. So ultra fast board. Lots and lots of power in there. I mean, we can decode every log C3. We can down convert at like broadcast quality from 4K to HD. We have SDR to HDR conversions, HDR to SDR conversions. We have a Dolby Vision live preview mode in there, so you can instantly look at what your SDR feed as Dolby Vision would look like and A/B them super fast. This is stuff that nothing else does. And now we put it in the OG format, so you can have 10 of these in 2 rack units. So unbelievable amounts of processing power. Another new product we announced, also in Open Gear format, is the OG-C10DA. This doesn't sound like a very exciting product. I mean, it's a 1x9 analog distribution amplifier. I mean, who distributes composite video nowadays? It's mainly a sync DA. That's what everyone loves to do with it. You're going to have a ton of video gear in your facility. They all have reference inputs. You got to synchronize everything together. How are you going to run all those sync signals around your facility? Right here, you get a sync generator, you run that sync generator's output into this, it DAs it 9 times, you could have 10 of them in an Open Gear frame. You're synchronizing everything in your facility with a very simple device. Cool little factoid on this, it's called the OG-C10DA. That C10, that's a big deal in AJA world. The first 2 products we ever made were our C10SP and our C10PS. So that was the foundation of AJA back in the beginning, so we paid a little homage to it with the C10DA and the OG-C10DA. So we're really excited to be offering that. This one, the C10DA and the OG-ColorBox, they're going to be available very, very shortly here. In the next few weeks, next few months, something like that, very, very soon. Just about ready to get out the door. But, you know, we're AJA. We want to make sure everything is absolutely perfect, and we can get you lots and lots of them as fast as we possibly can. So that's just a little tiny flavor of the news that we have here at IBC. Tons and tons of product updates, because you know we like to update our products and give you improvements on the stuff that you already own, and we give it to you for free. So there's a whole bunch more news to check out. You can go to our website, aja.com, check out our news, or you can go to RedShark and check out what they have to say. They're a great resource for everything you need. I'm very excited to be showing you all this cool stuff. So you enjoy the rest of your day and check out IBC 2024.